In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate two-factor authentication on your Ring app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so go ahead and open up the Ring app on your mobile device as you normally would. And now from here, we brought to the home page of Ring like this. And then from here, click on the hamburger looking icon. And then you want to head over to account settings on the left. And now if we scroll down here, we've got under account settings, you've got password and two-step verification. Go ahead and click on two-step verification. And then give that a few moments to load. And now if we scroll down with two-step verification, we've got how should we send you code. So you've got text message or authenticator app. So authenticator app generates verification codes with a third-party app. No internet connection is required. So it just depends on what you want to set up as 2FA. So you can do text messaging or authenticator app. So yeah, if you want to click on authenticator app, simply click onto it and then let's link your authenticator app. So whenever we ask for your password, copy the verification from your authenticator app. You've got different authenticator apps you can use. For example, you can use the Google's authenticator app. That's the one I personally use. And you can set it up via that. So if you want to set that up, so I'm going to go continue here. And now you got to verify your identity. So I'm going to put in my password, click continue. And now we need to set up a key. So I'm going to copy this key. And now I'm going to go to my authenticator app on my device. Like I said, a good one is the Google Authenticator. So I'm going to use this one. The screen's probably black here. So from here, when you open up the authenticator, you want to click on the plus icon. And then you want to enter a setup key and now put in that key that you just copied from Ring. So paste in your key, give it a name. So I want to call this Ring app.